Hey gorgeous souls! It's your boy, John Wick, back with a new mission. This time it's all about taking care of you during the holidays. Let's be real, the holidays are amazing. But between the family gatherings, gift shopping, and endless parties, things can get a little intense. We've all been there. That's why I'm so excited to share some simple but powerful self-care strategies to help you not just survive the holidays, but absolutely rock them. We're talking about practical tips to keep your mind clear, your energy high, and your spirit bright. Let's do this. Alright, let's talk boundaries. Setting boundaries is one of the most empowering things you can do for yourself, especially during the holiday season. It's a time filled with joy but also with obligations, expectations, and sometimes a bit of stress. So how do you navigate this festive yet demanding time without losing your sanity? By setting boundaries like a boss, of course. Setting boundaries isn't about being selfish or saying no to everything. It's about making conscious choices that protect your well-being. It's about understanding your limits and communicating them clearly to others. When you set boundaries, you're not just preserving your energy, you're also teaching others how to treat you. It's about protecting your peace, your energy, and your time. Imagine your energy as a precious resource, like a battery that needs recharging. Every time you say yes to something that drains you, you're depleting that battery. But when you set boundaries, you're ensuring that your battery stays charged, so you can fully enjoy the moments that matter most. Think of it like this. You wouldn't show up to a gunfight with a butter knife, right? You need the right tools to handle the situation effectively. Boundaries are those tools. They help you navigate the holiday season with grace and sanity, ensuring that you don't overextend yourself or get overwhelmed by the myriad of activities and expectations. You'd come prepared with the right tools for the job. Just like you wouldn't tackle a big project at work without a plan, you shouldn't go into the holiday season without a strategy for maintaining your well-being. This means knowing when to say no, when to delegate tasks, and when to take a break. Well, boundaries are your secret weapon for navigating the holidays with grace and sanity. They allow you to enjoy the festivities without feeling overwhelmed. By setting clear limits, you can participate in the activities that bring you joy and skip the ones that don't. It's about saying yes to what truly matters to you and politely declining the rest. Maybe it's spending quality time with your immediate family, indulging in your favorite holiday traditions, or simply taking some time for yourself to relax and recharge. Maybe you decide to skip a few holiday parties to prioritize quality time with your immediate family. Or perhaps you choose to limit your social media use to avoid the comparison trap and focus on your own joy. Whatever your boundaries are, they should reflect your values and priorities. Or maybe you set a limit on how much you're willing to spend on gifts this year. Financial boundaries are just as important as emotional ones. By setting a budget, you can avoid the stress of overspending and enjoy the holidays without financial worry. Remember, you are allowed to have limits. It's okay to say no to things that don't serve you. It's okay to prioritize your well-being. And it's okay to take a step back and breathe when things get too hectic. And anyone who truly cares about you will respect those limits. True friends and family will understand and support your need to set boundaries. They'll appreciate your honesty and respect your choices. When you set clear boundaries, you're not just saying no to others, you're saying a big, fat yes to yourself. You're affirming your worth and prioritizing your happiness, and that's something to be proud of. And that, my friends, is a beautiful thing. So this holiday season, remember to set those boundaries, protect your peace, and enjoy the festivities on your own terms. You deserve it. Next up, getting that body moving. Look, I know hitting the gym might be the last thing on your mind when you're knee-deep in wrapping paper and gingerbread cookies, but trust me on this one. Even a little bit of movement can make a world of difference. Exercise is like a magic elixir for your mind, body, and soul. It releases those feel-good endorphins that combat stress and boost your mood. Think of it as your secret weapon against those holiday meltdowns. And hey, it doesn't have to be anything crazy. A brisk walk in the crisp winter air, a fun dance party in your living room, or even a quick yoga session can work wonders. Find what feels good for you and make it a non-negotiable part of your day. Your mind and body will thank you for it. Chapter 3. Fueling up for festive fun. Let's talk about food, baby. I know, the holidays are a time for indulging. But hear me out, you can totally enjoy all the deliciousness without completely derailing your healthy habits. It's all about balance, my friends. Instead of depriving yourself, focus on making mindful choices. load up on those colorful fruits and veggies that provide essential vitamins and antioxidants to keep your immune system strong. Don't be afraid to enjoy those holiday treats in moderation. Remember, it's all about finding that sweet spot between pleasure and nourishment. And hey, don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is your best friend, especially during the hustle and bustle of the holidays. Chapter 4. Finding your inner Zen master. Alright, let's talk about finding your inner Zen master. The holiday season, while joyous and filled with celebrations, can also be a time of immense stress. The hustle and bustle of shopping, planning, and social gatherings can leave you feeling frazzled and disconnected from your inner peace. The holidays can be a whirlwind of activity, leaving you feeling stressed, overwhelmed, and completely out of whack. It's easy to get caught up in the chaos and forget to take care of your mental and emotional well-being. The constant noise, the rush to get everything done, and the pressure to make everything perfect can take a toll on your mind and body. That's where mindfulness and meditation come in. These practices are not just for monks or yogis, they are accessible to everyone, and can be especially beneficial during the holiday season. Mindfulness is about being present in the moment, fully engaging with whatever you are doing, and meditation is a tool to help you achieve that state of presence. These practices are like a mini vacation for your mind, helping you to quiet the noise, find your center, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Imagine being able to step away from the holiday madness, even if just for a few minutes, to recharge and refocus. It's like hitting the reset button for your mind, and the best part? It only takes a few minutes each day to reap the benefits. You don't need to spend hours meditating or practicing mindfulness to see a difference. Just a few minutes of focused breathing or mindful awareness can help you feel more grounded and less stressed. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. It doesn't have to be a perfectly silent place, just somewhere you can sit comfortably and not be disturbed for a few minutes. As you breathe in and out, pay attention to the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Observe your thoughts without judgment, letting them come and go like clouds passing by. It's natural for your mind to wander, especially if you're new to meditation. The key is not to get frustrated or discouraged. Simply notice when your mind has drifted and gently bring your focus back to your breath. If you find your mind wandering, gently guide it back to your breath. This practice of returning to the breath helps to train your mind to stay present and focused. Over time, you'll find it easier to maintain this state of mindfulness, even in the midst of holiday chaos. Trust me, incorporating even a few minutes of mindfulness into your day can make a world of difference in managing stress and staying grounded during the holiday chaos. So this holiday season, give yourself the gift of mindfulness. Take a few moments each day to connect with your inner Zen master and experience the peace and joy that comes from within. Chapter 5. Connecting with your crew. Last but not least, let's talk about the importance of connection. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle, especially during the holiday season. But taking the time to connect with those who matter most can make all the difference. The holidays are a time for celebrating with loved ones, but they can also be a time when loneliness and isolation creep in. It's not uncommon to feel a sense of melancholy amidst the festive cheer, especially if you're far from family or dealing with personal challenges. Make it a priority to nurture your relationships and connect with those who matter most. This could mean reaching out to an old friend, spending quality time with family, or even making new connections. The effort you put into these relationships can have a lasting impact. Whether it's gathering for a festive meal, sharing stories and laughter over a beautifully set table, or simply enjoying each other's company, these moments create memories that last a lifetime. Having a virtual coffee date where you can catch up and share your holiday plans, even if you're miles apart. Technology has made it easier than ever to stay connected, so take advantage of it. Or simply sending a heartfelt text, letting someone know you're thinking of them. A few kind words can brighten someone's day and remind them that they're not alone. Make time for those who bring you joy. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, who make you laugh, and who support you through thick and thin. These are the relationships that enrich our lives. Surrounding yourself with positive, supportive people can do wonders for your mental and emotional well-being. It's these connections that help us navigate the ups and downs of life, providing a sense of belonging and security. Remember, you don't have to go through this holiday season alone. There are always people who care about you, even if it doesn't always feel that way. Sometimes, all it takes is a simple gesture to rekindle a connection. Reach out to your tribe, share your heart, and let them shower you with love and support. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable and open up about how you're feeling. True friends and family will always be there to lift you up, because at the end of the day, it's the connections we make that truly make life meaningful. These bonds are what give us strength, joy, and a sense of purpose. So this holiday season, take the time to connect, cherish those moments, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Outro, have yourself a merry and mindful holiday season. So there you have it, my friends. Your roadmap to not just surviving the holidays, but absolutely rocking them. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. By prioritizing your well-being, you're showing up as the best version of yourself and for everyone around you. I believe in you. Now go out there and make this holiday season the most joyful, balanced, and fulfilling one yet. And hey, don't forget to spread the love by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and sharing your self-care tips in the comments below. Happy holidays, everyone!